Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to break down what crypto is, highlight the top 3 cryptocurrencies for 2025, and share the best apps to start investing. Let's dive in. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, cryptos operate on technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger of all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature means that no single entity, like a bank or government, has control over the currency, making it immune to interference or manipulation. Now let's talk about the top 3 cryptocurrencies you should keep an eye on in 2025. Number 1 is Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be created and remains the most valuable and widely recognized. Its primary use is as a store of value and a medium of exchange. With its limited supply of 21 million coins, many believe Bitcoin will continue to rise in value over time. Next up is Ethereum. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, or interference. Its native currency, Ether, is used to power these applications and pay for transaction fees on the network. With the rise of DeFi and NFTs, Ethereum has solidified its place as a major player in the crypto world. Rounding out the top 3 is Cardano. Known for its focus on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability, Cardano aims to create a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. Its blockchain is built on peer-reviewed research and aims to be a more secure and adaptable platform for smart contracts and dApps. Alright, now that you know the top cryptos, let's talk about the best apps to start investing. First, there's Coinbase. Coinbase is incredibly user-friendly and perfect for beginners. It allows you to buy, sell, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Plus, it offers educational resources to help you learn more about the crypto space. Next, check out Binance. Binance is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world and offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade. It's great for those who want more advanced trading features and lower fees. Lastly, consider using BlockFi. BlockFi not only lets you trade cryptocurrencies but also allows you to earn interest on your holdings. It's a good option for those looking to grow their crypto assets passively. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of what crypto is, the top 3 cryptos for 2025, and the best apps to get you started. Remember, always do your own research and invest wisely. Happy investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. See you next time.